Okay, so what do we have for today? First of all, I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, named Pocket Option. Now, as you can see, we are trading Euro and ZD currency pair, and we are moving in a very sharp upgoing channel. So that's why let me change our investment to $400 and let's open buy position in the continuation of the current movement, because as you can see, we don't have even any kind of downgoing corrections. Moreover, according to the current chart, we are above two moving averages, and that means we are in a very strong buy zone. So that's why, of course, the only movement that we can expect is a potential growth. That's why we have opened buy position here. Unfortunately, the first trade is not profitable. We have lost $400, but still we have $700 left on the deposit. So that's why let me think what can we use next. Just give me several seconds, please. Let me try to open your CHF. According to the current chart, we're moving in the descending channel. Moreover, we are below both moving averages. Let me change our investment to $650 and let me open sell position in the continuation of the current drop. Because according to the current market structure, we can be sure that we're in the sell zone right now. So guys, once again, it's a loss. We have lost almost all our deposit. We have just $50 left on the account. I think so there's no sense to trade anymore today. So let's have rest today. Today was not a good day, but tomorrow we will recover. So that's why, my friends, I wish you the best day ever. If you wanna find out how to trade without the losses, check my Telegram channel, link for it you can find in the description. I am waiting all of you here. So that's why I wish you wonderful, amazing, and the best day ever. See you all and bye-bye.